Welcome to Preston Riverside, home of Ribble Steam Railway and Museum. I am the voice of the PA.
I remember seeing these in the signal boxes.
Hello. Well, what you see now started off as a Christmas present in 1948 when I was 11 years old, but you can see it has grown somewhat from a little 040 clockwork Hornby train set which ran on a circle about 4 foot diameter. Being a railway enthusiast, it gradually took over, and apart from being a real engine driver on the preserved railways, this is an escape, if you will. People seem to think it's a model railway. It's a toy train set, and you can see the difference if you look at a model railway which has all detailed trees, houses and such like, but this as you see it's grown quite a bit since I first got it in 1948 with the little saddle track. At the moment this layout is only a few days old, because I've put it together for this exhibition. My own at home is very similar, but you can imagine it's not quite as big, but it fills the lounge at home, and it's become a drug really. When you're interested in anything and you really like doing it, it takes your life over basically. And I've been seriously collecting probably for the past 20 years. When I could afford things and such like, but when I was a lad, it was a real treat to get an extra wagon. It was, but you can see now there's all sorts. It consists mainly of Hornby, Basset Low, Bing, and such like.
Hello everybody, I'm a founder member of Chorley Model Railway Society. We've been going about 7 years, and we've got about 6 or 7 exhibition layouts which we take around the local area in Lancashire and Shore. And before you see a scale model in 00 gauge of Grange-over-Sands. Now for a little bit of fun we've called it Strange-over-Sands because things like this clock tower are over there. But this is normally a town, but to add a bit of interest to the layout we've made an industrial section, yeah, which cleverly gets back onto the fiddle yard, hiding behind a tunnel through here. So it's quite quirky. But if you know Grange-over-Sands at all, you'll find that the station area is quite an exact representation of the place itself. As you know, Grange-over-Sands, the tide never comes in. That's why there's a lot of greenery on the foreshore. There you go, Grange-over-Sands in miniature.
Hi, I'm Caroline, and myself and my husband Don have made this Harry Potter themed model railway in Engage. Based on Harry Potter, all the films and the books, and most of the characters from the films are on the layout, and the children and a lot of adults have to try and find them. Some of the houses have been made from scratch and some have been adapted from other models and other kits.
Hello, I'm Bob Harwood from the Hoilday Railway Collectors Association, and most of it is about 1950s. All the buildings are tin, they're all toys, they're not scale models at all, and we've been running here, this is the third year that we've been here, and we're from way up in the borders, and the stuff itself, the track is American, but most of the rolling stock are English, some going back to the 1930s. And we enjoy it, we come down, we come and play trains, we don't charge them, we come for the exhibition and for the fun of playing with our trains.